Are you thinking or planning on moving to Roseburg, Oregon? Well, I've got some things that might make you change your mind. I'm going to cover all those in this video, and make sure you stay tuned to the end because I've really got a really important one for you. Hey everybody, I'm Jerry Norman with Oregon Life Home. I've helped a lot of people relocate to this area, and in fact, I relocated here about 8 years ago. I absolutely love this area, so if you're thinking about making a move, give me a call, text, email. All my contact information is in the description below. I'd love to hear from you. So with that, let's get on with the video. So the first thing on this list, limited job opportunities. We have a few major industries here in Roseburg. That's lumber, healthcare, and hospitality. Healthcare is really big, and they are always having a hard time finding qualified candidates. The lumber mills are always hiring. There's always good job opportunities there. I know many people that are working in the mills, and they've worked there their whole life. Number 2 on the list, location. Roseburg is relatively remote. The larger cities about an hour or more either direction. That would be Medford to the south, Eugene to the north. And with that, if you're used to some big city amenities, Roseburg doesn't really have that. You're gonna have to go to those other cities. The location could be a downside to somebody that is looking for big city amenities such as diverse dining, concerts, nights out. But if you like a slower pace of life, this is the spot. Number 3 on the list, weather. We get all 4 seasons. Spring and summertime, it starts getting sunny and nice. People really love to get outdoors and enjoy the outdoor activities that we have to offer here. Fall and winter time, that's when we get the majority of our rain. People just get used to it. And as far as snow goes, very little snow. And if we get more than a couple inches, it's very rare. And for it to stick around for a while is even more rare. Number 4 on the list, healthcare. Roseburg does have a couple good healthcare facilities, but if you're looking for that big city healthcare and specific services, you're gonna have to go to the largest cities for that. We do have a really good hospital here in Roseburg, and we also offer the VA hospital. A lot of people that are looking to move to Roseburg are coming from the bigger cities like Portland and Salem, where they want to be near the Veterans Hospital, but they want a slower pace of life, so they choose Roseburg because the VA hospital is right here in Roseburg. Number 5 on the list, recreation opportunities. So with the location of Roseburg being in a great outdoor setting, most of the recreation opportunities are going to be hiking, fishing, and other outdoor activities. So if you're looking for museums, galleries, live music, that is very minimal here. Number 6, if you're looking for a property that is outside of the city limits and has its own well, you're going to want to get that well tested. I've seen many wells here that have a very low flow. You're going to want to get that tested and make sure that it's got over 5 gallons per minute. However, if it's under a little bit, I've seen some people that have been able to manage with about 1 to 2 gallons per minute. There's a ways around that. It's not a deal killer. However, I have also seen some wells go completely dry in the summertime, and they have to have water trucked in for the summer. You're really going to want to get your well tested and make sure that you have a really good gallons per minute flow. And the last tip, if you do move to Roseburg, here's a little hidden secret for you. Not a lot of people realize this, but everybody needs to go to the DMV for change of address, license registration, driver's license. Stay away from the one in Roseburg. Drive 20 minutes south to Canyonville. You can walk right in, maybe wait 10 minutes, and you're in and out. There's my little secret tip for you. But if you are planning on moving to Roseburg or considering it, give me a call, text, email. All my contact information is in the description below. I'd love to hear from you, and check out this next video.